I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp waiting for this message. Basically, why this error occurs is like if you send a message to somebody and like the person you send the message to has deleted your WhatsApp, then it's gonna show you this error. And the other thing is if the person has just installed WhatsApp and then a lot of messages are being, received by him, then your message will be kept on waiting and you will receive this notification. And the other thing is if the other person is typing a message and his internet connection just closes, and then in his mobile he's gonna be notified like sending, and in your mobile it's gonna notify you that waiting for this message. So he has sent this message, but due to his internet connection being cut down, you're not receiving the message. So if he doesn't goes back online within like 2 hours, then you're gonna receive this message where it's gonna say waiting for this message. So this is the cause of this error. So to fix this error, we're gonna delete WhatsApp and install WhatsApp again. So we're gonna offload this app. So before doing this, make sure to back up your WhatsApp chat. Like if you have some important files and other stuff on your WhatsApp, if you do this step, then it's all gonna go. So make sure to back up your WhatsApp chat. So let me show you how you guys can do it. You can click on this three dot, click on setting, click on chat, and then click on chat backup, and then set up where you want to back up your chat, in which Google account you want to back up, because you have to back up your chat on a Google Drive. After backing it up, you can do this step. Get out of WhatsApp. After out of WhatsApp, hold on the WhatsApp logo and click on app info. And after clicking on app info, you can click on storage usage and click on clear data, and then click on clear over here. This is gonna clear all the cache stored in WhatsApp, and it's gonna offload WhatsApp. Now after that, you can enter your WhatsApp. Now remember, you need to relog into your WhatsApp account, and after relogging into your WhatsApp account, it should fix your problem where it says WhatsApp waiting for this message.